So there's no doubt about it that the home buying process is complex. But just like a Lego set, we can get there one piece at a time. So there's four major things to consider. So those four things are going to be financials, timing, location, and needs. For the financial portion, we want to consider our budget. This is where a lot of people get confused, and this is the most crucial portion of the home buying process. A realistic mortgage payment consists of the following: principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. If your budget is around $2,400 a month, on average here in Texas, that's going to put you around a buying price of $256,000 for an FHA 3.5% down loan. In short, getting with a loan officer is the very first step you should take. You may find out that you need to work on your credit score, you may need more time in your job, and you may need to save up a little bit more money. Which leads me to the next consideration, and that's timing. My recommendation is to get the process started 6 months in advance. This will allow you plenty of time to shop lenders, shop loan programs, gather your savings, and get your credit score as high as possible. For those who are currently leasing, it's important to understand when your lease agreement ends, how soon you need to let them know that you're leaving, and whether or not you can go month to month in case things take longer than expected. In order of importance, the third consideration is location. So with location, it's important to consider your commute to work. If you have kids, what schools they'll be assigned to, proximity to family, friends, activities, and your favorite shopping centers. And lastly, your final consideration would be needs. How many bedrooms? What's the real yard size that you need? Does it need an office? And also elevation. What are the finishes that you want to see in the house? Granite countertops, wood flooring, 20-foot ceilings. In conclusion, it's likely that your first home will not be your last. Remember this, that it's best to buy the home that will suit your current needs and for the next 5 years. Remember that the path to the masterpiece starts with the first brick.